Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, we are going to learn how we can use the Discord application in this short video as a complete beginner. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started. So in this short video, we are going to learn how you can use the Discord application in a very basic way. First of all, you want to make sure you have downloaded and installed the Discord application to your device. If not, then you want to open the device's respective app store. In the search box, you want to type in Discord and then go ahead and download the application. Once you download and open Discord, what you want to do is simply open the application and log into your account. If you have not yet logged in, then do so by entering your email address and your password. And if you don't have an account, then make sure to sign up. Or if you want a detailed video on how you can sign up Discord, then on the top right hand side you can simply tap on the eye icon to go ahead and learn how you can sign up to the Discord application. So once you do that, and once you have opened Discord, you can see this is how the home interface on the application looks like. So the first main important thing in Discord is to learn how you can create a server. In order to create a server, on the top left hand side you will be able to see this menu bar. In order to create a server, on the left hand side you can see this plus button. As you tap on the plus button here at the top of the screen, you can see that you can create your own server, or at the bottom you can also select a template. So in order to create your own server, you can tap on create my own and then go ahead and download for a club or community or for me and my friends, or you can simply skip this question now and then you can enter the name of the server, upload a profile picture and then tap on create server. So this was how you can create a server. But if you want to learn how to join a ready-made server or an already established server on Discord, then at the bottom you will find an option called join a friend on Discord. Then you want to simply tap over here and then enter the invite link and then go ahead and join the Discord channel or server which you have been invited to. Now, these were the basic functions. The next thing I'm going to show you is how you can redeem a Nitro gift code. So in order to redeem the code, what you want to do is simply tap on the menu bar right over here. At the bottom right hand side, you will be able to see a profile picture. Tap on your profile picture and here you can see the option called Nitro Gifting. So go ahead and tap on Nitro Gifting and then you can enter all of the redeem code which you have received right over here, and in this way you can redeem your code. If you want to change the settings, you can tap on user profile and so on. And you can tap and you can add an about me section. You can also set the status. You can change your account settings and so on. If you want to add roles to your server members, once you are on the server page, simply tap on the server community right over here. At the bottom, you want to simply tap on settings. As you go to settings here, you'll be able to see multiple options such as members. These are the members in your channel. You can add a role to your Discord server members. Or you can also invite and then you can also ban all of these people. So this was a very basic tutorial on how you can use the Discord application. We learned how to create, how to join, how to redeem, as well as how to add a role and members on the Discord application. If you want a detailed video, then we recommend you watch our other video and leave a comment in the description so that we can create another one. We hope this guide video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. As always, thank you very much for watching and see you in our next video.